In this problem we're told that on the 1st of November 2015 there were 4,200 trees planted in a wood, and a year later only 3,948 of these trees remained. And we're told that a model of the form n equals a times by r to the power of t describes the number of trees in this forest. And part 1 says write down the value of a. Now in these equations, a is always the original number of trees, whatever the context is, and in this case it began with 4,200 trees. So a is that first population number, which is 4,200. Then year on year the number of trees are decreasing by a certain percentage. Now r describes this percentage change, and it says show that r equals 0.94. Now to find the ratio year on year, all we do is we do the new value divided by the old value, which in this case is 3,948 divided by 4,200, which if you work out is indeed 0.94. And 0.94 denotes a 6% decrease each year. So we've now got a model, and the model is n equals a times by r to the power of t, where t is the number of years after 2015. And in part 3 we're asked to look at the number of trees on the 1st of November 2030. Now this is 15 years after the forest was planted. So in this case t must be 2030 take 2015, which is 15. So if I sub 15 into this equation, I can find the number of trees which we predict to have in the year 2030. So if I work out 4,200 times by 0.94 to the power of 15, then the model predicts there'll be 1,660 trees. That's been rounded, it was 0.2, in 2030. So it began at 4,200 and it ends at 1,660 in the year 2030. And the question is has the decrease from here to here been by over 60%? So to do this, there's lots of methods. I'm going to find out what 60% of 4,200 is. So 60% of the original value, well, 10% is 420, so 60% is 6 lots of 420, which is 2,520. So if it did go down by 60%, the decrease should be 2,520. So the question is, what is our actual decrease? So our actual decrease is 4,200 minus 1,660. And 4,200 take away 1,660 is actually 2,540. So our actual decrease is over the 60%. So we've shown how it's decreased by over 60%.